Hi, this is Raymond. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Excel to do the ANOVA test. So here is an example. Now we have 4 groups of students and we have the final marks for 4 groups of students, and we want to test whether the marks for these 4 groups of students are equal or not at 5% level of significance. So our hypothesis will be no, mu A equal to mu B equal to mu C equal to mu D, and H1 is at least one equality, or say at least 2 of them are not equal. And the decision rule here is reject H0 at 5% level of significance if p-value smaller than 0.05. Or you can use the F, the F stats compared with the F critical value. So now we are going to do another test using DA. You can go to data analysis and select ANOVA single factor, and then we can select the data and alpha equals to 0.05, and we set the output range here. And as you can see, p-value equals to 0.01, which is smaller than 0.05. So our conclusion should be the null hypothesis is rejected at 5% level of significance. Besides, what I want to mention here is you guys need to know how to calculate this table by hand, because in exams, you may be asked to do this kind of question. So this is all for this video. See you next time.